Welcome to AI Factory. Imagine a single video that grabs the attention of millions. These automated music channels have quickly amassed millions of followers within a few months, clearly indicating significant profit potential in this market for the future. This isn't just any video, it's about simple, lo-fi music with a cool, repeating picture in the background. Now, thanks to AI technology, not only musicians but also anyone can make these videos. And guess what? It only takes 10 minutes to start. Join us as we explore this amazing journey where a love for music can lead to huge success. Let's dive into how easy it is to make your own hit video and maybe even start earning from it. Let's start with a simple look at the market. Knowing why this matters will help you get excited to learn. We'll ask, what is lo-fi music? What does it do? Why do people love these YouTube channels so much? What do the listeners get from them? And how do these channels make money? Exploring public sentiment towards lo-fi reveals that numerous individuals find comfort in its calming rhythms, seeking a tranquil haven from the hustle and bustle of everyday life to alleviate stress. The allure of such channels has swiftly gathered a substantial following. Regarding composition and musical genre, lo-fi music can generally be categorized into three types. The visual component involves either static images or dynamic effects, including artwork from Disney style, Ghibli style, or various Japanese anime style, or dynamic footage featuring animated landscapes or real-world scenes. Secondly, the musical style encompasses a range from pop, jazz, and blues to country, as well as ambient sounds from nature serving as the background. Lastly, the context in which lo-fi music is used varies widely, accommodating activities such as studying, yoga, working, exercising, or even waiting for the bus. These elements are tailored to meet individual preferences, illustrating the versatility of lo-fi music to suit various needs. Moving on to the music creation part, let's explore three notable services for generating music with AI: Soundful, AIVA, and Mubert. Remarkably, these platforms offer a way for those without any musical training to quickly create appealing original tunes simply by interacting with a user-friendly interface, a process that appears to be wonderfully innovative. First, navigate to Soundful's homepage and click Start for free. If you don't have an account, you can sign up using a Google account. Begin by exploring the Genres section, where each genre showcases a selection of music tracks, some of which may require payment. Choose hip-hop and then click on the track logo located in the lower right corner to initiate the creation process. You'll have the opportunity to create your first track, after which several style options and template choices will be presented to you. Although the templates offer a wide variety, note that many require a purchase. Opt for a free template in a pop style, specifically an emotional pop, and give it a simple name. The platform will then begin generating new music for you, a process that may take some time. Once completed, we can preview it. It's a nice music. We can also adjust the speed. Click Get to download your track. Be aware that there's a limit of 3 tracks that can be generated per month for free. Next, we proceed to the second platform, AIVA. Similarly, sign in using a Google account. To create a new track, select a style, choose lo-fi, hip-hop, and click Create. Here, I utilize the default settings for generating new music. The music is generated in 3 seconds and is quickly downloadable. Now, it is also possible to generate another piece that imitates the music I upload. I click Trim and Upload for a swift generation. The track can be directly downloaded after this process. Lastly, let's look at Mubert, another site for making AI music. It has a free option where you can make up to 25 songs a month, but you need to prove you own them. If you want to make more music and use it for business, there's a paid plan. This plan lets you create 500 songs a month, which is a lot for the price. If you're not ready to spend money yet, you can try their affiliate program. I suggest trying Mubert. The music sounds great and it's a good deal. Click on Generate Track. You can enter text prompts to generate music. You have the option to select from various genre modes and activities. Let's choose a genre first, such as chill, then select a mood. Here, we choose calm, and finally, pick an activity for which we'll choose chill out. Now, we've selected the genre, emotion, and activity for the music. The next step is to adjust the track's length. The default is 45 seconds, but I will change it to 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Once done, click the Generate Track button. Mubert will then take some time to generate the music. Next, you need to create a free account to download the music. You can choose to log in using Google, Facebook, or email. After creating a free account, your music tracks will be added to the download folder and ready for downloading. For instance, I'll choose a channel and select a landscape background image as an example. Then I proceed to Leonardo.AI, a free AI drawing tool. If you don't have an account, you can easily sign up with your Google account or email. You can watch my Leonardo.AI tutorial video for more information about how to use it. On the homepage, I search for anime and find an image style similar to the landscape background image. I clicked on it because I want to use the style to generate my landscape image. Next, I navigate to the image generation page where I want 2 images with a 16:9 ratio. I already have my text prompt, which I paste into the text box. After a short wait, it generates 2 nice images, very much like the ones from the Lo-fi music channel. However, I noticed something amiss. Curious to see if there are better options, I click Generate again. This time, it produces another 2 landscape images, which are beautiful. Now that both the image and music are ready, we need to proceed with editing the music video. For this task, we will use CapCut, a free and powerful video editing tool. You can either install it on your computer or use it online. Open CapCut and first import the image generated from Leonardo. Add it to the layer panel. From the library, search for Rain to explore its effects. Select the first option and add it to my project. On the right video panel, adjust the opacity and position it over the image. This makes the rainy landscape appear. Continue to tweak the opacity to your satisfaction and extend the image video's length to match the rain video's duration. In the library, under Sound Effects, search for Rain. Select the first option and add it to the bottom. Import the music generated from AIVA and add it to your project. Let's listen and preview the video. It's very good, but I need to adjust the rain sound a bit. Trim the lengths to match the rain video exactly. Finally, export the video. Let's see the result. turns out to be a very nice video. If you find the rain sound too loud, you can adjust its volume in CapCut. For more background effects like snowing, fire, and floating hot air balloons, check out my other tutorials on using Leonardo and CapCut. And there you have it. Just create your YouTube Lo-fi channel and upload your music video. Easy, right? Keep an eye out for more simple guides on using AI tools to earn money coming soon on my channel. Let's dive in together.